Hey there, fellow creators! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, I am thrilled to share with you a fantastic new feature in Filmora 12.4 that will elevate your video editing game to new heights. Introducing the new effect masks. This new effect mask feature will allow you to apply effects only to the mask area of your video clip. If you want to learn more about this, please watch this video until the end. If you want to access this new effect mask, you will need to apply some effects first. Let's say I'm gonna add this Sin City effect. Drag it up until to the end. So as you can see, when I added this Sin City effect, the whole video was affected. But you can change that by double clicking the effect and by clicking here, add effect mask. You can pick between a rectangle, circle, or you can do custom. Let's see first the rectangle. So as you can see, there's a small portion, a rectangle portion, wherein the effect mask is applied. So if I drag it right here, as you can see, this part right here was now applied with the effect that we chose earlier. If you wanna make it bigger, you can just drag this like so, but it's not going to be symmetrical, you know. If you want to add something right here, you can do so. If you want to rotate, just make your cursor turn like a rotating arrow, like that, as you can see. Then you can already rotate it like so. You can again add some points so that you can bend it. Add some point here. Let us now try the other shape. Okay, let's add the circle effect. So as you can see, we can also change it. You can also rotate this by letting your cursor turn into a rotating arrow. And that's it. Let's now add a custom mask. I'll be selecting this subject, our subject right here in the middle. So I'm just gonna make some points. And we're done. So as you can see, as I've closed my custom mask, the effect that I have applied on this video clip is now just right here in the middle on our subject. So as you can see, this is the only part that has an effect to it. You can revert this selection so that the subject will just have the color. Just hit this invert mask. See? Right there. You can also adjust its opacity and you can also extend it if you want to. And you can also blur the mask so that it looks natural. Because if you don't blur your mask, it will look like a sharp cut on your video clip. So when you feather it a bit or if you blur it a little bit, you can see that it looks more natural. Okay, so let's see it one more time. See that? Lastly, you can keyframe your effect mask like this. Let's add a circle effect mask. Circle on the middle, so you can see. And when I add a keyframe here, click this diamond selection here that shows a plus sign. Then when you move around here, if you add another keyframe here, we can extend our effect mask, blur strength, and hit OK. So from the start, so you can see it is just a small effect on the middle. But when we preview or when we play our video clip, as you can see here on the middle, our effect mask is just like a virus spreading to this person right here, to our subject, right? So really, this is a game changer for all of those video creators out there, for video editors like me. It will help me a lot for my future content creations. And as you can see, it's a really good feature of Filmora 12.4. So that is it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. It's Lance and I'm signing off. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.